Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to show you what are records into the Salesforce. So in Salesforce, record is a single row of data. So whenever you are putting all the field values and hitting save, then it is creating a one record. So for an example, if you go to the account section, so this whole row is a record, and then this is the second record like account name is S Force, phone is this, and account owner alias is this. So and when you're hitting save, so it is creating a second record. So let's say if I go to the all accounts, so account has a 13 records here. You can create a new record by clicking on the new button, and when you will put all the values up, then it will create a new record. So let's say I say test account, and I can put some value, and I think hit save. So it has created a new record now, test account, right? So if I'll go to the all accounts, now it should show 14. So this is the new record which has been created, correct? So this is the record. Every row is a record. So now we have a standard records and as well as a custom record. So if it is a standard object, so all the records which you create into the standard object are called the standard record, and all the records which you create into the custom object will be called the custom records. So if go to the teachers, this is a custom object which I've created earlier. So if I'll create a new record here by clicking new, and let's say highest degree is honors, salary let's say $100, $10,000, age let's say 34, and hit save. Then it will create. So now the new record has been created, right? And every record will have a unique value which you can see into the browser as I highlighted, right? So this is the unique value, and then it will also have a created by, created date, last modified date, as well as owner, that who is the owner of this record, right? So these are the some unique fields which unique field values which have been created with every record. If you will click on the teachers, now another record has been created here, right? So this is what called the records into the Salesforce. I hope you are very clear that what are records, what are the custom record versus the standard record, and how we can create a record into the Salesforce. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.